47, 49, 50, 52, 53, 55. So it's on the 56th floor. You have the Sky Bar. So let's go and look the Sky Bar. Hi guys, we're in Jakarta, and now we go. This is the center of Jakarta. Thank you. And now we go to the Sky Bar. Sky Bar, Jakarta. Jakarta Sky Bar. Let's go inside. So it's not a restaurant. You have to drink something over there. Hey, terima kasih. Thank you. Sky Bar.
Bye.
Up. Thank you, chef. It's in the BCA building. So it's open at 5 o'clock, so don't be too early because it's closed at 4 or 5 o'clock. Terima kasih, thank you. We go to the Sky Bar, eh?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Vlog.
Thank you. Terima kasih, thank you. I love you, eh? Beautiful Indonesia, very nice. Thank you. I love you. Thank you. I love you. And now we go in the Sky Bar. So here you have to check out your bag. And now we go to in the Sky Bar. Thank you. Hey, terima kasih, thank you, Sky Bar. Indonesia, very nice. Thank you. So now we go to the Sky Bar.
Where? Sorry.
Thank you.
Where? The
Yeah,
lounge?
yeah, the Skyline. Thank you,
Okay,
thank you.
that's it.
So now we go to the Sky Lounge. Which floor is it? Which floor?
56.
36. Nice. So it's on the 36th floor. And remember, when you go up,
This one, sir.
yeah, out this way. Thank you. That if the weather is good, otherwise you can't see. No good weather, you can't see nothing, eh?
Yeah.
Nice, thank you. So now we go to 36 floors. It's the only Sky Bar in Jakarta.
Not in Jakarta. In Indonesia.
Oh, Indonesia. Oh, nice. So now we go
Because
upstairs.
we have 5 minutes.
Okay. Thank you, chef. Thank you. Now we go in the elevator.
Great.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. So now we go to the Sky Bar. 47, 49, 50, 52, 53, 55. So it's on the 56th floor. You have the Sky Bar. So let's go and look the Sky Bar. Hey, hello. How are you? Terima kasih. Thank you.
Have a reservation before?
Oh no. This is the first time. Hey, I love you. This is the first time I'm in Jakarta.
Oh, yeah.
Good?
You prefer dinner at the restaurant or going to the bar?
No, only to the bar.
Okay,
Okay, so nice. So you have to pay 250,000. It's for the you get a voucher, and then with the voucher you can drink. You can drink and eat something, eh? So you can drink and eat something with the voucher. So 250,000. Okay, we go and buy the voucher. So look at these beautiful girls, guys. Hello, terima kasih. Look at the amazing, beautiful girls. Oh, come on. My heart melts, because I see a lot of beautiful girls. My heart, oh, terrible.
Welcome to Skye, Mr.
So now we go to the Sky Bar. So you have to pay 250,000 rupee, and then you can eat or drink something inside. Okay, thank you.
Everyone will look the Jakarta City view because the sunset already.
Yeah, we have to see outside, eh? Can you let me see? Thank you. Terima kasih.
Jakarta City view.
Nah, we have to see the view, eh? Terima kasih. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm making a YouTube film, yeah? Nice view. guys. Be safe and see you later. Yeah, I go eat something. Bye bye. Bye bye.